Hello everyone, and welcome back to the techystack channel. So in the last session, we checked that how the dropdown will works. So now we'll try to explore how the dependent dropdowns will come, or it might be the conditional dropdowns. So we'll try to explore that one, how it will works. So first of all, if you want to do that, so anyway, you can create it the some data like this. So as of now, I am creating the mobiles. Not this mobile. So let me go to back here. So I have this one unique data table. So from this unique data table, I will just create the category. So I'm going with the normal level. Later, I will explain that how we can get full-fledged in the one table itself. So first, we need to understand how this drop-down dependence drop-down will work. Okay, and after that I created the mixed data. So under this mixed data I have the data like mobiles, this category dates, after this brands of things all available here. So now what we'll do now, so for example, if I select this category, also if I select the category as like bikes, so I need to pull this data. If I selected this cars, I need to pull this data. So this is the drop downs which we are working right now. So I'm taking this drop down here. Let me take this one drop down. Where is this drop down? Yeah, so this is a one drop down. So here I will go with this general and I will select this query builder. So here I'm using this query builder as this unique data. So in this unique data having the list of the data, and my column name is, let me go and copy the column name and category. So this column name is category. Okay, let me remove the space. Fine. So now I created this drop down list. We'll check whether I'm getting this data or not from this. Let me go review and we'll check. Forget about the top three drop downs. Forget about just we are concentrating on the dependence drop downs. So now I got this list of the data. It's fine. Okay, let it be. Now I need one more drop down. So when I selected something data on the drop down one, then downside drop down will should be changed. So I will take this drop down here, and here my drop down is query builder. Under that, I will select this mixed data. So just I'm not adding any connections here. Just will check that. And here my column name is. Let me check that column name, brand name. So I need to get this brand details. Okay, done. So I have added the two drop downs list. Everything is done. So now the problem is, so when I change something data here, let me go preview. So when I change this, let it load. When I change this laptops, so it should come only the laptop details. I don't want the other details. So when I select these cars, so I need to get only the cars details. I don't want the other details. So those things we need to design the logic backend here. So let me go to this source again, query builder, and you can see these conditions are there. So just select this condition, add condition. And what is my field? So what type of field I need get? I need the brand name. Okay, when it's equals to. Okay, and I need to enter the value. For example, if I enter the bikes, so this is static value. For example, if I enter this bikes, it is a static value, but I need this dynamic value. Every time I won't select for the bikes, I won't select for the cars, I won't select for mobiles. So I'm the user will select anything. So we don't know exactly, So just remove that and go to this open editor. So from which drop down we are depending on that. So now we are depending on the drop down three. So when you check here, drop down four is completely depend upon the drop down three. Okay, then we need to update here main page dot drop down 3 dot value dot, so which value we are depending on the category value, no? So dot value dot to string. Okay, I have updated. So I'm getting the this drop down from the main page and value the category. So I'm getting the value of the category and converting to the string. So just click on that save and save. So now we'll check whether it will work or not. So just click on that preview. So this one directly you won't get. So practice multiple times, then you will get. So now if we check here previous, I'm getting this data. Now I'm not getting the any results because I need to modify the top drop down button. So I will select this laptop. So let it wait. Why it's not getting? Okay, maybe I have something issue on the backend side. We'll check that one. So column name source. Maybe I did here one mistake. I need to create this brand. So what is this brand here? So brand name is Aquil, but I want to filter with this category now. So I need to select here category. So that's my bad. So let me select this category and equals to that particular data. Okay, just click on that. So previous what I selected now, I directly selected this brand name, but we want to filter on the category now. So just I change this to category and click on that save and we'll go for the preview again. So these are minor something we'll forget. So try to concentrate on what you are developing the things and we'll see now it will work or not. Okay, again, I will select this laptop. So when I select this laptop, I have this three data. So now let me go and check here. So I will select here. Okay, let me go down. So if you see here, so I have the three laptops. So just forget about the data. I'm getting the reflecting that the data or not. So now I will click for the bikes. So let me change this for the bikes. So I have the two Royal Enfields bikes are there. So now this is the two Royal Enfield bikes are there. Okay, now this is the dependent drop down or conditional drop down, how we can work it. If you want, you can add a couple of the things depend upon the one, two, and so on. You can do it. So now what we did now, so we completely depend upon the two different tables. So now when I go and check, I have this mixed data and unique data. So in unique data, I have this category and mixed data, I have this combination of category types, I mean brand name, all the things are there. So now going forward, next video or maybe going forward, we'll try to explore on the only one data table. For example, if I take this one data table, I need to get the unique columns from the category side, or else I need unique columns from the brand type. So for example, when I select this Royal Enfield, so if I get the two names, but basically one brand, one bike is there, having the two colors. Just check this. So one bike and bike name is Royal Enfield and have the two categories called color as two categories colors, so gray and black. But when I go and check right now here, so I select this bikes, but I'm getting the two Royal Enfields. It should be basically we have the one product which have the multiple combination of colors. So when I check here, it should become only the one Royal Enfield. So it might be the name. For example, if you take this one mobile, which is called Apple 10 or 11, so it has some specific colors, specific RAMs. Those data will work on that coming video. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.